Hi, my name is Jesse Ness, the owner of WalleyeDirect.com. Today, I'm making an unboxing video to answer shipping and packaging questions that we get on the website. So I ordered for myself a couple products. As you'll see here, this is a nice, big, thick cooler. It's designed to last 3 days. It'll ship anywhere in the US. This is a packing list here. The good thing about the packing list is there's no price on there, so if you're ready to order for a friend or a relative, you don't have to worry about that. We have a freezer magnet here. Looks like there's plenty of dry ice left. Even if there weren't any dry ice, the fish would be guaranteed to be frozen when it gets to you. Take a look at the walleye. This is wild caught Canadian walleye. I ordered the skinless, so the skin has been removed, and these are individual quality frozen IQF. What that means is that the same day these fish were swimming, they were caught, cleaned, filleted, and then flash frozen to lock in the flavor. I also ordered some perch. So these are yellow perch. The yellow perch are skin on. These are butterfly fillets. The perch are a little smaller, so they make for a better finger food. And today is Friday, so Friday fish fry time. I'm gonna get a couple of these going. And when you're ready for your guaranteed catch, go to WalleyeDirect.com.